Welcome to the final part of Maths chapter Fundamental Operations on Fundamental Concepts and Operations on Algebraic Expressions. And we have completed, we have understood what is an algebraic expression, what is a polynomial, what are constants, what are variables, what is a term, what is a degree of a polynomial, coefficients, so many things we have understood. Then we have understood the operations, the basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication on algebraic expression. We are left with just one operation, that is division. That is also very simple, except the long division method, which we are going to study in detail. Okay, so I want you to focus and I want you to just understand this last part, and then you are ready for your exam, which is tomorrow, I guess. Okay, let's start. So the first thing, divide. Okay, in this division there is no problem of the like terms. Okay, and specifically when we are dividing a monomial by another monomial, then it's much more easier. Let's see how to divide this. So here what we are going to do is we are going to write 24a square b c cube divided by minus 6 ab c square. Okay, so when you divide them, what needs to be done is you need to separately write the variables, that is a square multiplied by b multiplied by c cube, the whole divided by minus 6 a b c square. So a square and a gets cut, b and b gets cut, c square and c gets cut. Okay, now do you understand why do they get cut, right? Because if you divide, let's say if you divide a square by a, what you are doing is you are dividing a into a divided by a, and then only a remains. So a and a square gets cut and only a remains. So that's the whole idea. Okay, that's very simple. Minus 6 and 24 gets cut and you get minus 4 over here. So all you're left with is minus 4 AC. Minus 4 AC. That's it. That is the answer of division. Isn't division very simple? It is, right. So if you think this is simple, then it is the right way and we can proceed easily. Okay, next. Minus 56 xyz cube divided by minus 6 x cube y4 z. Okay, now if you want to write them separately, it's nice. If you don't, then also it's okay, but I would want, because these are some basic questions, I would want to write them separately and then show you how to divide. So I'm writing all the you can say constants one above the other in the division format. Okay, so minus minus sign gets cut. 14 6 are 56. So here x and x cube will cut and x square will be left in the denominator. Y and y4 will be cut, y cube will be left here, and here z square will be left. So this will be 14 z square. 14z square, and in the denominator will be left with x square y cube. X square y cube. Great. So that's basically what you get when you divide these two terms. Okay, what about this? So here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, and here there is just a single term. How would you divide them? It's easy. So what do you get over here? 4x raised to 5 minus 14x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square, the whole divided by 2x square. Okay, so you write it as 4x raised to 5 divided by 2x square minus 14x raised to 4 divided by 2x square plus 6x cube divided by 2x square minus 2x square divided by 2x square. So this becomes 2x cube. 2x cube. Okay, this 2 gets cut with this 4, you get 2 here, and x square and x5 gets cut and you get x cube over here, right? So that way 2x cube, I wrote it directly. So can you tell me directly, can you tell yourself directly what will come here when you divide these two terms? 14 divided by 2, 7, x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 2, x raised to 2. Okay, what about here? Plus 6 divided by 2, 3, x cube divided by x square, x minus 1. So that's basically what you get. Okay, next. So we are doing it quickly over here. 20 x cube y plus 10 xy square minus 15 x square y the whole upon 5xy. So you get 20 x cube y upon 5xy plus 10 xy square upon 5xy minus 15 x square y upon 5xy, and you divide them. So 5 4s are 20, you get 4 over here. X cube divided by x, you get x square over here, and y gets cut straight away. So 4x square plus 2, because 5 2s are 10, x gets cut, y and y square gets cut, so you get 2y minus 5 3s are 15, x and the square gets cut, y gets cut, and you get 3x. Simple. So division of trinomial by monomial, division of multinomial by monomial, division by monomial, division of monomial by monomial or binomial by monomial. Very easy stuff. The problem comes when this kind of sum comes. When you have to divide a trinomial by a monomial. So when you have to divide anything by trinomial by a binomial, I'm sorry, when you have to divide anything by a binomial or by uh, an algebraic expression which has got more than one terms, two terms, three terms, you cannot do the division simply. So what you need to do here is, remember, you need to do long division. So what is long division? Long division is the same method of division which we use for dividing two numbers in a long form. So inside you write your dividend. So how do you write your dividend? First you write the term with the highest degree. So that is 6x square. Then you write all the terms in descending order of the degree. 6x square plus x minus 15, and here you are writing 2x minus 3. So what do you do next? You divide 6x square by 2x and you get 3x. So 3x multiplied by 2x is 6x square. 3x multiplied by minus 3 is minus 9x. Here will be minus sign, this will be minus, this will be plus. So 6x square minus 6x square will be 0. X plus 9x is plus 10x, and minus 15 will come down. Did you understand what happened? So first what we did is we took the first term of your dividend and we divided the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. I'm again showing it to you to clear your doubts. Okay, so when 6x square is divided by 2x, 2 3s are 6 and x and x square gets cut, what is left? 3x. So this division of the first term of dividend and the first term of divisor gives you the first term of the quotient. Now what you do is you multiply this first term of quotient with the first term of divisor and write the answer beneath your dividend. So 3x multiplied by 2x is 6x square. 3x multiplied by minus 3 is minus 9x. Now what you do, you subtract these terms from your the first line of your dividend, So what you do is when you subtract, you remember you need to change the sign. So this 6x square was positive originally. Its sign changes into negative. This minus 9x was negative. Its sign changes into positive. So 6x square minus 6x square. Now you will look at the sign in the bracket. Okay, 6x square minus 6x square will be 0. Plus x plus 9x will be plus 10x, and minus 15 will be dropped down as it is. Okay, so we are left with plus 10x minus 15. Now this plus 10x becomes the first term of your dividend, right? We are at the second stage of division. So this becomes the first term of your division, dividend, and this plus 10x will be divided by the first term of your divisor, that is 2x. So what do you get when you divide plus 10x divided by 2x? What do you get? You get plus 5. Okay, so you get plus 5. So simply you write one thing, you write 10x divided by 2x, which is plus 5 over here. So 5 has to be multiplied with both the terms of the divisor. 5 multiplied by 2x plus 10x, 5 multiplied by minus 3 minus 15. And then you draw a line over here, then you put a minus sign over here, and because there is a minus sign, the signs of the uh, terms which are written after it will change. So you change the sign. So 10x minus 10x becomes 0, minus 15 plus 15 becomes 0. And what is the answer? The answer is 3x plus 5. Okay, so you can write that 6x square plus x minus 15 divided by 2x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, so this is what you get. Let's go ahead. Okay, we have one more long division. Pay attention now. Your concept regarding long division should be clearer and clearer with each passing example. Okay, if it doesn't get clear, that means you're not paying attention, or that means I don't know how to teach. But the later case is not possible. So the first case is more, you can say, it's the possibility of the first case of you being not attentive is higher. So don't do that. Okay, just pay attention, you will understand. Okay, now here you see the dividend is x raised to 5. Okay, and then directly plus 11x. So if this is the case, if the degree of the first term is 5 and then there is the degree of the next term is 1, so you do one thing, you write it as 0 x raised to 4 plus 0 x cube plus 0 x square plus 11 x minus 12. Okay, so this will be x square minus 2x plus 3. X raised to 5 divided by x square is x cube. That's what you do, right? You take the first term of your divisor, of your dividend, and divide it by the first term of your divisor. X raised to 5 divided by x square is x cube. Now what? Now you multiply this x cube with x square, you get x raised to 5. Then you multiply x cube with minus 2x, x cube multiplied by minus 2x. See, now by now you should be able to multiply orally. If you are not, then there is some mistake in the fundamental. You did not understand multiplication well. Okay, if you're not comfortable with this, then I will suggest don't try it as of now. You're not ready for it. Practice multiplication. Get good with algebra and then come back here, because this is a little bit advanced stuff. Okay, so x cube multiplied by minus 2x will give you minus 2x raised to 4, and x cube multiplied by 3 will give you plus 3x cube. And then you draw a line and then you write a minus sign. But if you have written a minus sign, then the sign of each and every term over here changes. So this will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. X raised to 5 minus x raised to 5 will get cut. You get 0. 0x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 4 will become plus 2x raised to 4, plus 0x cube minus 3x cube will become minus 3x cube. Here you have to bring down the remaining terms. So 0x square plus 0x square will be brought down, plus 11x will be brought down, and minus 12 will also be brought down. Okay, now the division process will continue. The first term of your dividend is 2x raised to 4 now, and the first term of your divisor is as it is, x square. What will you do? 2x raised to 4 divided by x square, it will give you plus 2x square. If you are not comfortable with my oral divisions, you need practice. Okay, so 2x square multiplied by x square is plus 2x raised to 4. 2x square multiplied by minus 2x is minus 4x cube, correct? And 2x square multiplied by plus 3 is plus 6x square. So this will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become minus. So plus 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 will get cut straight away. You get 0 over here. Minus 3x cube plus 4x cube will become plus x cube. Minus 0x square plus 0x square minus 6x square will become minus 6x square. Plus 11x will come down, and minus 12 will be dropped down. X cube divided by x square. X cube divided by x square is plus x. X multiplied by x square. See, what did we do? If you want me to elaborate, we took the first term of the dividend, which is plus x cube, and divided with the first term of your divisor. X cube divided by x square is plus x. We wrote plus x square in the next term of your quotient. So plus x multiplied by x square is plus x cube, which will be written over here. Plus x multiplied by minus 2x will be minus 2x square. Plus x multiplied by 3 is plus 3x. This is minus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So plus x cube minus x cube is 0. Minus 6x square plus 2x square is minus 4x square. Plus 11x minus 3x is plus 8x, and minus 12 will be dropped down. Okay, so we have reached the final leg of our division. Now our division is going to get completed. Pay attention. Minus 4x square has to be, which is the first term of your dividend, now has to be divided by x square. So if you divide minus 4x square by x square, you get minus 4 here. So minus 4 multiplied by x square is minus 4x square. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 2x is plus 8x. Minus 4 multiplied by plus 3 is minus 12. This will be plus, this will be minus, this will be plus. Okay, so these two will get cut, these two will get cut, and here finally we get the remainder as 0. 0 is the remainder. Okay, so on dividing these two algebraic expression, the quotient is x cube plus 2x square plus x minus 4, and the remainder is 0. Okay, so this is how you perform long division. Okay, There are a couple of more questions. This one is really interesting. Let's do this one. So here your quotient is x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5, and your divisor, sorry, here your dividend is x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5, and your divisor is x minus y. Now I'm not going to introduce any term with raised to 4 or something like that, sorry, 0 or something like that. So I'm directly going to start the long division. The first term is x raised to 5, the first term is x over here. Divide, if you divide them, you get x raised to 4. X raised to 4 multiplied by x is x raised to 5. X raised to 4 multiplied by minus y is minus x raised to 4y. Here you put minus sign, here you put plus sign. So this will become 0. This will become plus x raised to 4y minus y raised to 5. Okay. Now what? Now you are going to treat this term. See what happened over here. Again, I want to show you. This was plus x raised to 4y and this was minus y raised to 5. Since they were unlike terms, they cannot be added or subtracted. So I wrote both of them side by side. Now what? Now this x raised to 4y will become the first term and we have to divide that by x. When you divide this first term by x, what do you get? You get plus x cubed y. Now you multiply x cubed y with x, you get plus x raised to 4y. And when you multiply x cubed y by minus y, you get minus x cubed y square. Then you draw a line over here, change the signs, put a subtraction sign here, change the signs. Okay, so here this will get cut and this will become plus x cube y square minus y raised to 5. You see that minus y raised to 5 is following us. Let it follow, no problem. Now what? Now the first term of your dividend will become this, divided by x. So what do you get? Plus x square y square. Now plus x square y square will be multiplied with x and you get plus x cube y square. Then multiply plus x square y square with y minus y and you get minus x square y cube, right? Minus x square y cube. You draw a line, you put a minus sign over here, change the signs. Okay, so this 2 will get cut and this will become plus x square y cube minus y raised to 5. Okay, we have some space, we can do this. Let's go. Now the first term of your dividend is plus x square y cube divided by the first term of the divisor, which is x, and you get plus, sorry for that, you get plus xy cube, xy square actually. No, xy cube. Xy cube, correct. We get xy cube. Okay. So we multiply this xy cube with x and we get plus x square y cube, and then we multiply this xy cube with y. So you get minus x y raised to 4. X y raised to 4. Okay, so these two terms will cut and here we are going to get x y raised to 4 plus minus y raised to 5. Now take xy raised to 4 as the first term of your dividend and divide it by x. So you get y raised to 4, only y raised to 4, and I think this is the last thing. Now multiply y raised to 4 with x, you get plus xy raised to 4. And multiply y raised to 4 with minus y, you get minus y raised to 5. And here you get minus sign, minus, plus, these two will get cut, and these two will get cut, and you get 0 as the remainder. And this is your long division. Certainly it is long, with the quotient and the remainder as 0. So this is a complete division. So I hope you understood the whole process of long division in this question. This was quite complicated. Okay, the last question. Find the quotient and remainder when this whole thing is divided by this thing. Okay, let's do it. The last question, right? Have patience and understand that, if you don't pay attention, you are bound to make mistakes. Okay, so here we have got our question. Now what? Now we'll divide the first term of our dividend with the first term of our divisor. Okay, can you tell me what will you get? X cube. X cube into x square, x raised to 5. X cube into 4x is plus 4x raised to 4, and x cube into minus 2 is minus 2x cube. So here you draw a line, you put a minus sign, and then you change the sign. This was positive originally, becomes negative. This will become negative, and this will become positive. So this will get cut, and here you're going to get 3x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 4 is minus x raised to 4, and minus 5x cube plus 2x cube is minus 3x cube. All right, great. What will come down? Plus 14x square will come down. Now what? Now you will divide minus x raised to 4 divided by x square. Minus x raised to 4 divided by x square will be minus x square. Okay, minus x square multiplied by x square is minus x raised to 4. Minus x square multiplied by plus 4x is minus 4x cube. Minus x square multiplied by minus 2 is plus 2x square. Okay, the division is going along. So there is a negative sign. I'll change the sign all over here. So minus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4 will get cut. Minus 3x cube plus 4x cube will be plus x cube, plus 14x square minus 2x square will be plus 12x square. And you can bring down only one of the terms, plus 36x. Now dividing the first term of your dividend with the first term of your divisor. So plus x cube divided by x square is plus x. So plus x multiplied by x square is plus x cube. Plus x multiplied by plus 4x is plus 4x square. Plus x multiplied by minus 2 is minus 2x. Okay. Now this will become minus, this will become minus, and this will become plus. So what will happen here? x cube minus x cube will get cut. You get 0 over here. Plus 12x square minus 4x square will become plus 8x square. Plus 36x plus 2x will become plus 38x. And this minus 13 will be brought down. Okay. Now we'll take the first term of our dividend as usual, divided with the first term of our divisor. Plus 8x square divided by x square is plus 8. Plus 8 into plus x square is plus 8x square. Plus 8 into plus 4x is plus 32x. And plus 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. Let us simplify. Draw a line, minus sign, change the signs. 8x square minus 8x square will cut. 38x minus 32x will be plus 6x. And minus 13 plus 16 will be plus 3. So this is the remainder. This is the quotient. So we had to find the quotient and remainder which are in front of you. Right? So this is how you perform the long division. Okay, so our division part is finished, and I hope you will complete that remaining exercise of division today itself, because you need to prepare. And I'll be seeing you in the next class. Bye bye.